Hi, so I have red hair again. Surprise! Yeah, I'm doing a little backtracking here with the hair colors, and I'm doing red, orange, and yellow again because when I started doing the clown makeup, I started with the yellow hair color when I had that, but I missed the ones that I had before, so I didn't do a red one and I didn't do an orange one, so I want to do those again. And I'll be doing the yellow color again because I didn't have it for very long, so I want to like have yellow for a little longer, and I also wanted to see if I can have it lighter because I originally wanted it to be like a brighter color, so I want to see if I can get it to that. But yeah. Hi, I'm red again. I didn't record me dyeing it because it would have just been the same video as the previous red hair dyeing video, which was basically like a year ago. It was last summer. So yeah, I didn't figure there was any point in having two of the same videos basically. The process is like exactly the same. I use the same hair dye and everything. I might do one for the orange hair, maybe, because I might be using a different hair dye, but we'll see. Anyway, I drew up as always. The clown look, kind of a little sketch of how I want it to be. I might sit on it some more and maybe figure out some more details because it is simple right now, but I also didn't want to do a super crazy makeup this time. I wanted it to be a little bit more simpler, but I haven't added anything to the neck on this one yet. I don't know if I want to or not, but anyway, yeah. I wanted to at least record this intro. I'm actually not even sure if I'm gonna do the makeup right now, but yeah. I'm doing a red clown makeup look for this video. Yeah, so stick around to see how I do that. Yes, hello. So I did end up doing the makeup today. I didn't want to do anything super complicated, so it actually didn't take very long. You probably saw me messing up a couple times and redoing it, but it is what it is. It's always really hard to match one side of your face to the other and make it symmetrical, but also whenever I do these, I never really go for like 100% perfection because it doesn't have to be. Like, it's kind of like weird funky makeup already, you know, so I feel like if there's a little bit of inconsistencies here and there, it doesn't like ruin the makeup, you know. And then if I do really not like it, then I try to like go back in, or you know, like I added some more red in and I actually really like how that came out. But yeah, if I really wanted to, I could have redone it and like done it perfectly, but it's really not that big a deal. It doesn't matter. I still get the point across. Yeah, I did end up, as you can see, adding some red to my neck, and I did draw it out a little bit. But yeah, like the other ones I did like this whole stripey thing, and it was really cool, but I didn't feel like doing all that for this one. Yeah, I did want to make the eyelashes kind of like super big, I guess, and like really stand out. Although I don't know how well I succeeded at making these look like eyelashes. It kind of looks more like just smeared lines, but whatever, it's fine. Like I said, I didn't go for perfectionism. I didn't want to sit here forever and focus, and yeah, I'm just not in the mood. The different thing that I did this time is the mouth. So I've seen some clown looks that have the big exaggerated mouth lately, and I wanted to try that. And since I haven't done that on my other looks before, like I've done the kind of like big smile thing, but I didn't do like the whole lip, just make everything bigger. This is my first time doing that, and definitely makes it look more clown-like, that's for sure. I mean, it just looks silly. It looks goofy. It looks like I'm a 5-year-old who, like, you know, found my mom's makeup and like started drawing on my face, and this is what I came up with. That's what it looks like. But I kind of feel like that's the point, you know? It's funny. Like I'm definitely not used to it. It's super weird looking at me like this, and it is creepy. It's definitely creepy. I added some little highlights in the heart, the nose, and up here, which I really like how that came out, and I'm gonna maybe do that in the next look, or looks. I really like that. I recently got this white eyeliner pencil and started using it, and now I'm finding other different ways to use it for my makeup. So yeah, I really like using it as a little highlight. And then I added like a black border here, and just like a little shadow on the hearts. On most of the other ones, I did like an outline of like all the little features, but I didn't do that on this one, or like I didn't want to. I didn't do it on the lips, kind of. Yeah, I have a lot of black in the other, I'm looking at it on the side. I have a lot of black in the other makeup. I don't have much in this one. But it's still really creepy. It's the red and the big lips, I think, really make it unsettling. I didn't really have to try, I feel like, super hard with this one, because I feel like red is already just such a intense color that you don't have to do much with the makeup to make it look, I don't know, clowny, I guess. Definitely the lips, I think, are the biggest eye catcher in this makeup. But yeah, it's fun. I like it. I knew I wanted to wear this red skirt for the look. I wasn't sure about the top, but I saw this and I'm like, it's Pride Month. I should wear a rainbow thing because why not? And I feel like it kind of adds to the kookiness of the outfit too. I feel like it works. But honestly, with clown looks, like anything can work together because it's just so silly and goofy, and like the whole point is that it's not supposed to match, and you know, it's not supposed to look normal or whatever. I love it. Yes, I know the eyes are messy. Do not come at me. It's not supposed to be perfect. I do not care. I still really like it though. It's super spooky. I actually was originally planning on making it even creepier and like adding fake blood, but I don't have any, and I didn't really feel like going and getting some for this look because then I know I wouldn't have used it again for a while. And also, I honestly didn't want to deal with the mess that comes with using fake blood. Also, I knew YouTube and other social medias probably wouldn't have liked it, so I don't know if I would have even been able to share this look if I did that. It might have been flagged, so I just chose to just forget about the fake blood and do this instead. Yeah, and I like it, so let me know if you like this makeup look. You know, if you're into clown stuff. I know a lot of people aren't, but obviously this video is not for you then if you are not. Let me know if you like it, and let me know which one you like the best so far out of all the looks I've done. I have done 5 now. So I have the red, and then I have yellow, green, blue, and purple. I think last time the purple was my favorite. First of all, it was purple, and I love purple. Then I had the whole galaxy thing, which was really cool. And then before that, I think the yellow, the first one I did, is still like, I still really like it. But yeah, this one's fun. I feel like this one's a more kind of classic makeup look with the big lips. Other than that, it's pretty simple. Just drawing some hearts and big lips, and yeah. I'm gonna go now, take some pictures for the thumbnail, and I think the other thing about this is that I was already a clown before I started doing the clown makeup, so it kind of fits anyway. I'm gonna go before I keep freaking rambling, because I really love doing that. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please leave me a like. And if you aren't subscribed yet and you love clown makeup, I have more on my channel, and we'll have more coming up, so subscribe for that. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and hopefully I will see you on the next one. Bye.